Hello beautiful people, back to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching our videos, and if you're watching our videos for the very first time, don't forget to click on the subscribe button as you're watching our videos. Thanks so much, and we love you. Alright guys, a popular Nollywood actress known as Adesanya Toyosi Eleyemi is celebrating another wonderful and prosperous birthday today as she done in beautiful outfit. Also, she was surprised on a movie set by most of her colleagues like Fatia Williams and many other more. She was surprised. She was given a surprise birthday gift, and I want you to watch out for that because I'm going to show you in total what the surprise gift was. And apart from that, she was celebrated by most of her colleagues in the movie industry as they wish her a prosperous birthday. And you know what, this month is just another celebration as love. Let me tell you, like love of the Nollywood actors and actresses are having their birthday celebration this month, and Toyosi Adesanya Eleyemi is one of them. Alright, quickly let us take a brief look at who Yoruba actress Toyosi Adesanya is. Alright guys, so Yoruba Nollywood actress Toyosi Adesanya Eleyemi. She is a prominent Yoruba actress, a writer, a movie producer, and also a businesswoman. Toyosi was born in the 1970s in Lagos State, Nigeria. And Toyosi had a primary and secondary school education in Abeokuta, Ogun State. Toyosi attended the University of Ibadan in Oyo State and graduated as a lab technologist. She has spent more than 24 years in the Yoruba movie industry. And as well, Toyosi was once a member of Odufa Kakos theatre group. And she rose to fame when she featured in an epic Yoruba movie titled Efun Shetan Aniwura. The talented actress has appeared in numerous Yoruba movies such like Eniare, Isomoloruko, Olofin, Irebamu, and Aimono Nyonju, and Aminat Dangote, Osunwande, Kosis Komisono, okay, Baba Soja, Yeye Oba, Malu, and other interesting Yoruba movies as well. And the beautiful actress has worked with a lot of Yoruba celebrities, including Jide Kosoko, Adebayo Salami, Ibrahim Chata, Lasure, Antalaniyo, Wale Akorede, Adebayo Tijani, Toyin Agbola, Lepa Sandi, Fatia Balogun, and others. And Toyosi is happily married to Dele Eleyemi, and they are blessed with two lovely kids. And as well, little did we know that Toyosi Adesanya also penned down tribute to God, that as it was also recorded and reported that few months ago she managed to escape from the incident of a horrid scene on her way to Ilorin. And according to reports, the actress, who was in the same vehicle being driven by the deceased Juma, were both attacked by the three Fulani in a Yoruba armed bandit. And also, this is one of the things that has made her to come out on her birthday to celebrate and to appreciate God for the gift of life, and also for making her to witness another wonderful birthday as she celebrates her birthday. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button so as to get the latest news and information from our YouTube channel here. Okay, before then, let us celebrate with the popular actress, and also let's quickly give a watch to the birthday surprise in which was made for her. A few days before her birthday by her colleagues and her best friend known as Fathia Williams, in which they are 5 and 6. Also, she has planned a surprise for and she was so excited and she really jumped for joy looking at this surprise in which was made for her by her colleagues and her friend. Alright guys, don't go anywhere, stay tuned and let's take a brief watch.
Èmi àtọ́kẹ́ kí n mọ́ pẹ́sà lásán kórí ojú rẹ̀ ṣe púpọ̀. Èmi fẹ́ máa lọ ìlà ọ̀ràn tó. Èmi fẹ́ máa lọ. Aládùn ni ó yá dìde kóòjó àwọn dìde kóòjó àwọn. Aládùn ní dìde kóòjó àwọn. Aládùn ní dìde kóòjó àwọn. Èyí àtọ́kẹ́ dìde kóòjó. Alábìjẹ́ dìde kóòjó. Yéyé tèmi dìde kóòjó.
Opa. Ẹ̀mí lẹ̀ fún ìyá.
Alábìjẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ ogun dojo. Ìyá èwe bẹ̀rẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ ogun dojo. Wàá borí ọ̀tá tó ní ọmọ sàmọ́dún. Ògbè lóhùn borí àkùkọ. Alábìjẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ ogun re. Mo ní tá a bá wọnú ilé bá lé léra kọ́kọ́ sí. Egun tí ó bá rẹ̀ ní ìlú bá kó wọ́wọ́ sọ. Bàtà tí ó bá rẹ̀ ní ìlú bá kó wọ́wọ́ gbàgbà. Àtọ́kẹ́ kí n tó wí pẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀pá mo gbé ọ̀gá. Ọmọ ayé lọ pẹ́ kí n tó sọ̀rọ̀ rárá mo ti bá fi dùn mọ́. Mo rí ìpàlọ́dọ̀ yeye tèmi. Àdùnní náà ni mò ń ké sí. Owó màmá kàlí. Yeye tèmi lágbára mọ́tò lé yeye kàlí tí mo gbára ẹ̀rù yò. Lónìí mo forí balẹ̀ lọ́kọ̀ yeye tèmi. Mo ní